Hello everyone. Let's talk about breathing new life into older small form factor PCs. Today we're looking at the Replace Power 420W TFX power supply, designed as a drop-in upgrade for AcBel units commonly found in slimline and SFF systems. If you're rocking an AcBel PC6036, PC6038, PC7067, PC7068, PC8044, or PC8046, and find your current 200, 250, 300, or even 350 watt power supply is struggling, this could be the answer. The Replace Power unit bumps you up to a solid 420 watts, providing headroom for upgrades like a more powerful graphics card or additional storage. The key here is compatibility. TFX power supplies are specifically designed for smaller cases, and this one is built to replace those AcBel models directly. That means no case modifications or struggling to make a standard ATX PSU fit. It supports both slimline and SFF models, making it a versatile option. The 420 watt output is a significant increase for many of these systems. It opens the door to running more demanding components. The unit includes SATA connectors, which are essential for modern hard drives and SSDs. Cooling is handled by an internal fan, which is crucial in the cramped confines of a small form factor case. Air cooling is the standard for these types of power supplies, and it's important to ensure adequate ventilation within your system to prevent overheating. The Replace Power TFX power supply offers a straightforward upgrade path for users looking to enhance the performance of their AcBel-based slimline or SFF PC. It's all about providing more power without the hassle of major modifications.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.